Who is that, princess? Who is that? I live for this moment. This is like a dream. This is a dream come true. Say morning to the faves.
Morning, please.
Uh-oh, my battery is gonna die. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Let me see if you guys can see the babies. Look, Sarah, run here. Sarah, look. I picked up the camera and didn't realize that the battery was gonna die. You guys, we are heading out to school this morning. We are running to school. Happy Valentine's Day! You guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whether you celebrate Valentine's Day or not, make today a good one. Baby's off to work. He's out of town today. We ain't doing no big celebration today like I usually do every year. Hold on, Ty. Like I used to do every year, it's just gonna be a chill day for us today. So love you guys. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys will be shown a little extra love today from your loved ones. I'm coming. My battery died on me while I was out, but anyway, I had a rough night. Sarah teething is on a whole new level right now. You hear her? This is a problem I'm having. The Sarah would normally sit and make me get things done. Oh, the Sarah that would sit and play or lay and play and let me get things done. Not like that right now. She is just crying. She just wants her mama to hold her, and most of the time I just gotta do that because she won't stop crying. Right now I feel like a zombie because she didn't sleep for the last part of the night. I had to go for her and put her under my arms in my bed for her to stop crying. She would still wake up and cry even when I did that. She's having her vitamin right now. So yeah, she just is not doing so well at all. But it's all a part of the process. We gotta do what we gotta do. Anyway, I even want to go on the road today. I want to go and try and get something for my man. Valentine's Day. Though we decided not to do any big celebration. I'll probably go to dinner or probably just go have a drink or something. I don't even know what we're doing. But the usual me going out all out every year. When you have kids this young, it kind of changed. When they get older, yes, we'll be back to our, you know, romantic self, to have time to decorate and to show a little extra love on this day. But for today, that won't be the case. So yeah, I am going to try and make me some breakfast. She's not allowing me to make breakfast, which I wanted to do right now so I could just head on the road after. But she's not allowing me because when I put her down, she just keep crying and I hate it. So I have to wait until she calm or when she go down for a nap before I can try and get breakfast. But let's see if I'll make it on the road any at all. But anyway, Tyler is off to school. He's doing good. This is last day of school. School goes on vacation today for 2 weeks, so Tyler will be home for a minute resting. Yeah, but she's tired and so am I, so she's gonna go nap while I get something to eat and see if I can go on the road. So catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, a like. Press the like button right now. Stop everything that you're doing and give this video a like. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Love you. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? Can mama get a picture? Can mama get a picture of this pretty girl? Hi. 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 Sit here. Hi. Look, it's up. Look at mama. It's here. Here. It's our first Valentine's Day together. You know that? Last year, this time you were in here. You were in here. Yes, you were in mama's stomach. So it's Sarah's first Valentine and of course Valentine's, and of course I decided to dress her up in red and white for no apparent reason. She looks so cute. And of course I'm dressed. I actually want to go on the road though. I want to go on the road to get a little token for babe. I know he doesn't really need anything, but it's a thought that counts. So I want to go on the road to see if I get something for him. So I'm gonna do that with my girl right any minute. Today is gonna be work with the flow, kind of chill day. We don't really have anything planned. Ain't going all out. It's just another day of love, a little extra love, a little extra effort. But yeah, we're just rolling with the punches today. Happy Valentine's Day to all you guys who celebrate Valentine's Day. We celebrate everything around here. Once it have to do with love. Love is love, y'all. Love is love. Anyway, you guys, this is the princess. Let me show you guys her outfit. Look at the face. Say hi. Look. You see the camera? Look there. Say hi. 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 In your little cute red and white. Let's go closer. Look. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. You guys, Sarah been trying to say Tyler for the past 2 days. It's so cute and adorable. And every time I try to record her, she stops saying it. But this girl is ready to talk. And look whose name she's gonna say first. Tyler. Can you imagine? Say Tyler. Tat 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 Tyler. Tat 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 Tyler. Say call Tyler. Tat 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 Tyler. Tat 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 Tyler. That's how she said. Tat 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 Tyler. Call brother. Tyler. Tat 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 Tyler. She just wanna jump. Don't call Tyler. You gonna take a picture with mama? Come let your mama take some selfie. Who is that, princess? Who is that? I live for this moment. This is like a dream. This is a dream come true. To dress her up like this. My gosh, you guys have no idea. I could just sit and look at her all day. Isn't she cute? You mama, I could just sit and look at you all day. If I do that, then I won't leave this house. And I need to leave the house. Let's take a picture with mama. Anyway, you guys, we're heading on the road. I made it to town, y'all, and I was just moving so fast because I wanted to get something before I have to head back to pick Tyler up from school. I'm picking Tyler up early today, and I meet up with my friend in town. She was already in town, so she helped me to get Babe a gift, and we got a gift for Babe, and I'm happy I finally got something. And Sarah is still sleeping. Now I think I need to get Babe something else that he loves. I won't get him much because he already have, but he'll be excited to see. Y'all know Babe love have a sweet tooth, so hey, I'm going to the chocolate shop on the mall, and then I'm gonna head home so I can pick up my boy in time. So leg up. Listen, if it was the USA streets I'm on, I would be seeing so much red and white. Y'all, I'm the only one out here in red, okay?
Yeah, try Valentines.
I don't see. Oh, see the guy here passing. He's in red and white. I don't see anybody else in red. Where's all your red and white, yo? Nobody cares. Everybody's in black. They're mourning.
I'm in black because I was in an interview.
I'm seeing a few people in red jackets or a red scarf. But yo, if you were in USA or in Jamaica, you would see pure red and white today. Oh,
Happy Valentines.
Happy Valentines.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look like Valentine's here if someone don't say hey. But the stores are representing. The stores have a lot of red and white decorations in, so you know it's Valentine's when you step in the stores.
She's in red.
But I'm ripping in my red and white shoes. And Sarah is full on red and white. She's sleeping. Look at her. Hi, Mama. Sarah is not here for it. Alright, let's go. The chocolate store was on the first floor, right?
No, under.
Down?
Down.
Where when?
Children's noodles. Children's noodles. Children's noodles.
Oh, we're gonna miss it. We're gonna miss it. Yeah, when you have to stop on the side of the road to feed your baby because she hungry. It's her snack time. This girl is like a clockwork, and she hungry, and she have no apologies. Look at her, hungry belly. Sarah is so hungry, and it's 30 minutes before we pick up brother, so I'm feeding her right now and then go straight to pick up Ty. Right? This is what she's eating. Peach and apple. And yesterday for the first time she eat off one entire this completely, so she's gonna eat it off today again. Started crying in the bus because she wanted her food. Who's the champion? Who's the champion? You're the champion! Another day, another one finished. You did it! Mamo! My baby boy is home to join the red party. You joining the red? Joining the red and white party?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
He said, Mama, I want to put on my red and white too. Alright, now we're just waiting on babe to get home. Unfortunately, my husband is reaching home late on this Valentine's Day, which was unexpected.
Give Mama a flower for her Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Tyler did give me a little flower and I don't even know where I do it. He went outside and picked a flower from the garden and give it to Mama for Valentine's Day. Thank you, Tyler.
Perfect, Mama.
So baby's coming home late. So I think we're just gonna stay home and chill. So yeah. And here I made pizza in the oven for Tyler. So Tyler gonna have pizza and yogurt. Of course, it's our favorite pizza, you guys already know.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm back for more. That have been
Step in the house 7:30 p.m.
that have been a
7:30 p.m.
day.
On Valentine's Day, my husband walking in the house on 7:30 p.m.
When you have to walk, you have to
On
walk.
Valentine's Day, my husband stepping in the house on 7:30 p.m. What a life. Walking in at 7:30. Walking in at 7:30. Walking in at 7:30.
You need to have a plan B, C, D, E.
Kids are in bed. Valentine's Day is winding down, and my man just handed me a gift. That is written Chanel, and the scent that is coming from this bag smells
it?
glorious. Smells so good. So we're going to discover which of the Chanels is in here.
Should I pick the right one where there's no wrong one?
Did you pick the right? Look how stylish is this box. How cute.
It reminds me when you're young and you do the chun 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 chun, like say a number choo choo choo.
You know, I didn't know that game until later on in life.
Really? What kind of childhood did you have?
What kind of child I have playing dandy shandy and playing with mud?
What kind of childhood?
I'm playing hopscotch.
And we can't say nothing about fancy or anything. It's just a paper. You just take a paper and know how to
hopscotch.
afford it.
Okay, so it says Gabrielle Chanel Paris. Paris.
So none of these are your name. Yeah, Melissa. No Gabrielle, no Chanel, no Paris.
Let's discover. It's so sexy. Oh, look how the bottle's sexy. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god.
It's come to me.
Oh Jesus, glory be. Baby, it's not. So we did decided that we're gonna have a chill Valentine's. We weren't gonna go out for no dinner. We wanted to go for a drink initially, but somebody stepped in here late because somebody had to go out of town today.
So somebody had a suggestion. Why not to order some sushi and eat sushi in front of the TV while the kids are on bed?
And somebody decided no.
Somebody decided no.
Because I am not going to make, because of Valentine's, I ruin my little steady rabbit eating that I'm on, ruined by my love for sushi. Okay, so Valentine's, I shall ditch that and carry on. Tomorrow will just be another day. Okay, honey? And I know if I go on the road with the kids, I'm going to see some fatty thing that I want and I'm going to buy it, especially if it's churros.
She will walk for churros and she said
exactly.
Churros. She will look like this. Churros.
So
Babe, do you have 5 euro with you? Do you have 5 euro with you? You want chocolate on it? Please tell me yes. Chivas is not cheating. Chivas is not
Thank you
cheating.
for my Chanel. It smells heavenly.
Another one.
You did well. You did.
It's just sad that I need to get you some things to get a kiss
It's
like
so-
this.
How dare you? What a lying man. Wicked. I didn't get you anything, sorry.
That's okay. Just back my house will get me something.
Mm?
I said that's okay. Just back my head.
I
So.
break your heart in how many pieces?
I can't count. I can't count to that much.
Anyway, you guys, that's it for why are you cutting off my face?
You don't deserve to be on the camera like this.
So end the vlog yourself.
Yes, I end the vlog myself. Bye guys.
Because he will I know we get him something and that's why I behave so. Anyway, you guys, I got him something too.
She called me. No, every time I call her, she not pick up the phone. And she not pick up the phone. She's up to something. And when I call her, I don't know what. Like she was trying to hide the noise around. I said, but hold on,
Babe,
you're
nosy.
not home. You're not home.
Babe, nosy, him nosy. Or I wouldn't say him nosy. I guess he'd know me all too well. Call me when I'm on the road. I said, alright, I'm going to let the phone ring. He'll think I'm just busy with Sarah, so I'll call him back in a
That's
few.
what I believed.
Thank you. Call him back. Hear him. Why you so like that? You're on the road. I'm like, get off my phone. He said, come off my phone. Him nosy.
No, but
And I can't even lie. I can't even lie
when
to
you're
save
at
my
home,
life.
you only hear Sarah.
But you didn't hear anything at all.
I hear something.
You don't hear nothing. You just didn't want to know
Maybe
where
it's just
I
the
am.
echo or it's just
You
something.
just wanted
I
to
know
know
where you
where
were.
I am.
I know where you were.
So he caught me red-handed, went on the road today. Mr. Nosy. Alright, I'm going for your gift.
Oh, you have a gift for me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I have no clue what it is. It's big.
Small things come in big packages, honey. Don't worry. There you go. Husband. Husband.
Oh, a pair of shoes. I didn't know Sephora sells shoes.
Baby, you can't stop acting a fool.
I didn't know Sephora sells shoes. Oh,
I can't stop smelling.
It is chocolate box.
You love chocolate too much.
Oh yeah. That's why you
Good
get
thing
the
I changed my
chocolate.
mind and didn't buy no chocolate.
Chocolate box. A lot of chocolate.
I bring you home a sexy girl.
I know this man.
I bring you home a sexy girl.
Yeah, look how he's shaped. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Look
Big
like you
French
like
brand.
French man. Look like you like French man.
So we got each other the same thing.
Jean-Paul.
Oh, this Chanel smells so good. Oh God.
This is bath. This is. Look like I have to put that somewhere hidden.
But how? So why you touch my nose?
For you not to
It smells so
appreciate it. Damn it.
Look how sexy this man is. So when I have to make the penis spots a bulge. perfumes are bomb. Bomb.com. Come. This idiot.
You want to kiss me here?
No, I do not want to kiss you there. Why
kiss
you
me
want me
now?
to kiss you where you spray the perfume?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Baby,
What's going on with you?
you're sticking the finger in my butt.
Really? I didn't do that intentionally.
Yes, you did.
No.
Anyway, you guys.
You want
we're
to kiss
going-
the man?
No, not that man. We're going to
No, I'm
finish.
talking about the man, the me.
Yeah, maybe. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna finish up Valentine's. Probably we're just gonna watch a movie and then head to bed. I feel like I would just go lay in bed right now anyway. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Hopefully you guys have a good Valentine's, and we'll see you guys. Is Valentine's or Valentines? Valentines. Typical Jamaican. And we'll see you guys. Say
When we see them?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow is... When we see you guys tomorrow.
Me bite me now.
Dem ser professional på ny måte. Just do that. And then it's coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming.